Mornings can be hectic, but breakfast is a must. Did you know that breakfast can improve your child's memory and academic performance? Here's a simple and balanced breakfast idea. Step 1. Choose whole grain cereal or oatmeal. These provide fiber and slow-release energy. Avoid sugary cereals. Step 2. Add milk or yogurt. These provide protein and calcium. If your kids prefer plant-based options, go for fortified alternatives. Step 3. Include a variety of fresh or dried fruits. These provide natural sweetness and vitamins. You can mix them into the cereal or serve them on the side. Step 4. Sprinkle a small handful of chopped nuts or seeds. These provide healthy fats and additional nutrients. Step 5. Blend a fruit and yogurt smoothie. This is a quick and tasty option that provides a filling drink. Step 6. Serve scrambled or boiled eggs with whole grain toast. This is a protein-packed option that adds fiber. Step 7. Spread nut butter on whole grain toast or a banana. This is a protein boost, but make sure there are no allergies in the classroom. Step 8. Bake muffins using whole grain flour, fruits, and nuts. This can be a fun weekend project that yields breakfast for the week. Remember to keep portions appropriate for your child's age and appetite. Offering a mix of nutrients can keep them fueled and focused throughout the school day.